Set toward the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in Shelburne's Boulder Hill neighborhood, 206 Hawley Road offers privacy, space, and a wooded Vermont setting. Inside, the entry opens to a warm, polished interior with a formal dining room which is ready for holidays, dinner parties, and everyday gatherings. The kitchen is bright and functional with generous workspace, easily flow to casual dining, and a layout that keeps daily life connected. Just beyond, the screen porch offers a quiet place to enjoy morning coffee, summer evenings, and the sounds of the surrounding trees. The great room brings the home's sense of scale into focus with vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, large windows, and a gas fireplace anchoring the space. A family room with built-ins adds another comfortable place to relax, read, or settle in at the end of the day. From the great room, the home continues into a flexible den, ideal for work, study, or a quieter retreat. Upstairs, the landing leads to 4 well-planned bedrooms. The primary suite offers generous space, a walk-in closet, and a private bath with a soaking tub. A second bedroom includes its own ensuite, while additional bedrooms provide comfort and flexibility for guests, hobbies, or home office needs. The lower level adds valuable bonus space for fitness, storage, work, or recreation. Outside, the wooded backyard offers room to garden, gather, and enjoy the privacy of this established Shelburne neighborhood.